For over 4 centuries, since Galileo first pointed his primitive telescope at the cosmos, humanity lived under a comfortable scientific illusion. We classified Jupiter as a massive, uniform ball of gas, a colorful but ultimately soft giant floating in the outer solar system. But in mid-2026, newly processed data from NASA's heavily armored Juno spacecraft officially shattered this schoolbook narrative, proving that everything we have ever observed, the iconic pastel bands, the swirling tempests, and even the monstrous Great Red Spot, is nothing more than a microscopic layer of paint. This volatile outer crust of clouds is just 50 kilometers deep, representing less than 0.04% of the planet's actual radius. Beneath this thin, deceptive veil lies a realm of physics so extreme that it borders on cosmic horror. At the very summit of this atmosphere, temperatures plummet past -100 degrees Celsius, where apocalyptic superbolts of lightning, thousands of times more powerful than any storm ever recorded on Earth, tear through clouds of ammonia and water, creating a toxic, slushy hail that rains down into the crushing darkness. However, as you plunge deeper past the churning storms of the Great Red Spot, which cuts hundreds of kilometers into the upper atmosphere, the chemistry takes a terrifying turn. The immense atmospheric pressure begins to squeeze trace elements of methane, causing carbon atoms to crystallize into massive, pristine diamonds that literally rain through the upper skies. But these diamonds will never land on a solid surface. As they sink lower, the rapidly rising heat melts the solid gems, turning them into a liquid carbon mist. This is the boundary where regular space physics completely breaks down, transitioning into a bizarre state known as a supercritical fluid, an alien phase of matter where the distinction between gas and liquid completely disappears. You cannot land on Jupiter because there is no surface to hit. Instead, any vessel attempting to descend would find the air around it seamlessly thickening from a violent gas into a scorching, oppressive soup, preparing to swallow the explorer into the largest, most dangerous abyss in our solar system.
As an explorer plunges past the chaotic cloud decks and descends below the critical 1,000-kilometer mark, the sheer, unimaginable gravity of Jupiter alters the fabric of reality itself. Here, the atmospheric pressure escalates to over 10,000 times that of Earth's sea level, forcing the omnipresent hydrogen gas into an unnatural state of existence. Under this brutal, compounding weight, the hydrogen loses its gaseous form entirely and condenses into a boundless, pitch-black ocean of liquid hydrogen that spans an incredible depth of 20,000 kilometers. This is not a cold, frozen sea like those found on the icy moons of the outer solar system. Instead, it is a boiling, chaotic abyss where temperatures scale into thousands of degrees Celsius. The sheer volume of this hidden reservoir makes it the single largest body of liquid in the entire solar system, a seamless, shoreless expanse that completely wraps around the planet's interior, silently crushing any man-made probe under a shifting, heavy current of superheated alien fluid. The true terrifying metamorphosis occurs even deeper, near the halfway point to the planet's center, where the atmospheric pressure surpasses any laboratory capability on Earth, fundamentally ripping the subatomic structure of the planet apart. The crushing force completely squeezes the lonely electrons out of their individual hydrogen atoms, allowing them to break free and flow through the dense fluid like a highly conductive river. For all intensive purposes, the hydrogen has transformed into an exotic, glowing ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen, over 40,000 kilometers thick. This churning, rotating metallic layer acts as a colossal, hyperactive planetary dynamo, generating a monstrous, violent magnetic field that is nearly 20,000 times stronger than Earth's.
This invisible magnetic shield traps lethal cosmic particles, wrapping Jupiter in a blinding radiation belt, so intensely radioactive that it can instantly fry the heavily reinforced titanium hulls of modern scientific spacecraft.
For decades, astrophysicists were locked in a fierce debate regarding the true heart of our solar system's largest planet. Classical textbook theories presented two distinct possibilities. Either Jupiter harbored a dense, sharply defined rocky core the size of Earth that had vacuumed up surrounding gases, or it formed from a collapsing nebula with absolutely no solid center at all. However, when NASA's heavily armored Juno probe finally mapped the gravitational anomalies deep inside the planet, it sent back telemetry that completely shattered both models. Instead of a solid sphere of rock or an empty gaseous void, the spacecraft's instruments detected an anomaly that physically should not exist, a massive, structurally chaotic region that scientists now classify as a fuzzy core. This shocking discovery proved that our fundamental understanding of planetary formation was entirely wrong, revealing a core structure that completely defies the standard laws of physics and gravity. At the absolute center of the planet, there is no solid bedrock, nor is there a clear boundary separating the liquid metallic ocean from the planetary foundation. Instead, heavy elements like iron, silicate rock, and supercompressed liquid hydrogen are violently churned together into a bizarre, hyperdense soup. This glowing primordial slurry doesn't just sit tightly at the center, it stretches outwards, permeating nearly half of Jupiter's entire radius and spanning an incomprehensible distance of 70,000 kilometers. This dissolved, formless heart indicates that the deepest layers of Jupiter are locked in a permanent state of dissolution, where solid matter is continuously ripped apart and mixed with exotic liquids. It forces researchers to confront a terrifying reality. The core of the giant is not a dormant rock, but an active, swirling planetary graveyard of heavy elements that completely ignores all known rules of geological stratification.
To explain how this colossal planetary anomaly could physically exist, leading planetary scientists and supercomputer simulations have proposed a terrifying historical scenario. Early in the formation of our solar system, roughly 4.5 billion years ago, a primordial protoplanet roughly 10 times more massive than Earth was caught in Jupiter's unavoidable gravitational trap. This wandering world slammed directly into the infant gas giant at a catastrophic velocity, piercing straight through its thick mantle and completely shattering its original solid rocky core into fragments. However, this ancient impact has created a profound mathematical paradox that leaves modern physics at a total loss. According to the foundational laws of gravity and fluid dynamics, over the course of 4 billion years, these heavy, dense elements of iron and rock absolutely should have settled back down to the absolute center, separating into clean, distinct geological layers. Yet, Jupiter completely ignores this logic, keeping its heavy elements permanently suspended in a giant, chaotic soup, and science still has no definitive answer as to why this cosmic blending persists. Understanding the deep, violent secrets hidden beneath the clouds of Jupiter is not just an exercise in solving local planetary mysteries. Because gas and liquid giants make up more than half of all the foreign worlds we have discovered orbiting distant stars across our galaxy, Jupiter serves as the ultimate blueprint for the entire universe. If our current physics models cannot accurately explain the strange, rule-breaking reality of our closest giant, then everything we think we know about the architecture of alien solar systems might be fundamentally flawed. If you want to continue challenging mainstream science, tracking the latest discoveries of the modern space race, and uncovering the deepest, darkest secrets of our cosmos, make sure to subscribe to Exoplanet X right now. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep space investigations, and dive into our other videos on the channel to see what else is lurking in the freezing dark of the universe. Thank you for watching.